In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Bitrix24 dashboard. By the end, you'll feel confident moving around the interface and finding the tools you need without getting overwhelmed. First, go ahead and log into Bitrix24. As soon as you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Think of this as your command center. You'll typically see an overview of what matters most to you: recent activity, tasks that need attention, upcoming events, and quick links to common tools. The exact layout can vary depending on your role and the features your workspace uses, but the idea is the same. It's a snapshot of your workday. Next, draw your attention to the left-hand menu. This vertical panel is where all the features are listed and organized. It's your primary navigation. If you ever feel lost, return to this menu. It's the fastest way to jump between collaboration, tasks, CRM, and settings. The items you see may be tailored to your access level, so don't worry if your list looks a bit different from someone else's. From here, click Collaboration. This section is where teamwork happens. Use chat for quick one-on-one messages or group conversations. The feed acts like a company-wide bulletin board, perfect for announcements, updates, or sharing files. And the calendar keeps your schedule visible, so you can see meetings, deadlines, and events at a glance. Toggling between these areas helps you stay aligned with your team and keep communication in one place. Now, choose Tasks and Projects. This is your work management hub. Here you can view tasks assigned to you, track progress across projects, and understand what's due and when. You'll typically find tools for prioritizing work, setting deadlines, and monitoring status in different views, such as lists, boards, or timelines. It's designed to help you move from planning to execution without leaving the platform. Next, open CRM to manage customers. This area is built for handling leads, contacts, deals, and your sales pipeline. You can track where each opportunity stands, review past interactions, and keep important customer details organized. It's especially useful if you're moving prospects through stages and want a clear picture of what needs follow-up. Finally, head to Settings for account and system options. Here you can review profile details, adjust notifications, manage integrations, and check preferences for things like language and time zone. If you're an administrator, you may also see options for permissions and system-wide configurations. And that's how you navigate the Bitrix24 dashboard. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.